Hello guys, welcome again to another YouTube video. On today's video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your laptop or a PC on any Windows. Okay, let's get into the video. First of all, you open the page that you want to take a screenshot. As for me, I want to take a screenshot on Google's page, this page here. And then on your laptop there is this keyboard here written PTRCS, this one, PTRCS. Just hold on to it like this, have you seen? You just do like this, and then you search here, paint, you click it, and when it opens on the far corner right left, you click paste. It's here. The page that I have screenshot is right here. You can edit it the way you want it, like this. You can crop it, you can crop, select, and then you can also add some text. You can also paint it like this one. You can edit it the way you want, and then also you can also add text like this. Add text, and then you can also resize it the way you want it. After editing your photo, just click on the file, save as. As for me, I'm going to save it on my desktop. Let me save it sample, and then you click save, just like that. You just click save. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Please remember to like this video and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. See you on my next video.